Hello everyone. Today we are going to share more light how you can make money online. Three things in this 2024 that will help you to make money online as genuinely. Number one is being a content creator on Facebook and YouTube and also TikTok. You know, these three apps that I just mentioned now is looking for people who will create content and allow other people to watch. So you can stay in your home anywhere. Start creating content for yourself on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. With time goes on, with your followers, you start earning money from these apps. So this is the number one thing you should pay attention to. Being a content creator on these apps help you to make money in 2024. Number two thing is affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing, or you can say cryptocurrency. These are things that will help you to make money sitting in your home, staying in your house. You can buy goods, sell goods with your phone without stress. You know, some of these things are done online. So these are the things you should pay attention to. And affiliate marketing and cryptocurrency in this 2024, look for best app that is not that are not scammers, and join them and start trading in and start trading online. Either you be a content creator on Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok, or you do affiliate marketing or cryptocurrency. Number three things that that help you to make money online this 2024 is writing emails for companies. A lot of companies overseas are looking for people who write emails for them, for who write emails for their clients. So it's not for you to know which one you are good at, which one you're going to dive into to make money online in 2024. These three things that I mentioned right now is very important you dive into it so that it will help you to grow in this 2024. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and on the notification button for our next video. These are the things, these things I just mentioned right now. Try one of it. And if you want to dive into content creation on Facebook, you are not going to spend much to become a content creator on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. And you're not going to spend much to start it. Just stay in your home, bring out your talent. The whole world want to see you perform. Affiliate marketing is also, you stay in your home, start marketing with companies. Writing emails, you also stay in your home, start writing emails to the client of the company you're working for. So these are the, if you ask me, this 2024 the easiest way to make money online. So it's not for you to choose what the one you want. Kindly subscribe to this channel on the notification button for our next video.